Make money and sell online in 7 days. I'm here to save you a lot of time, and I'm here to share with you how you can start an amazing Amazon business in less than 7 days and make money, especially this holiday season. My name is Toyin Ibironke. I'm the Savvy Amazon seller, and I've been selling on Amazon for the past 2 years. What did I say? For the past 2 years. It has been an amazing journey, even though I did not start as I should start. But I've learned through the time, and I've learned how to make money online as much as or as little as you starting in 7 days. So, what do you do to increase success in your business? How do you make money by selling high margin products? This is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. Number one, Amazon has 300 million customers. So why will you want to choose Amazon? Because they already have amazing customers out there looking for products that they are going to buy. So you have access to sell products on Amazon by registering your business on Amazon. You might want to ask me, I don't have a business. Oh, I'm an individual. Yes, as an individual, you can sell on Amazon and you can sell as a business entity. So whatever you choose to do, you are free to sell on Amazon. Amazon has given us opportunity to sell, whether you are individual or you are a business owner. Business owner means you have an LLC. You have registered in your country or in your state as an LLC business owner. You can also sell worldwide. Amazon is the fastest growing company that sells worldwide. So if you want to sell worldwide, you have an opportunity to do that. So basically, you can grow your brand on Amazon. Maybe you have a brand, you are thinking, how do I let the world know about this brand? You can grow it on Amazon. You can also register your business on Amazon and grow that particular brand that you want. Another thing you can do is start selling profitable products. Now you want to ask me, Tony, how do I get profitable products? Or how do I know that this product is going to be profitable? It depends on your margin. It depends on the product that you have seen, and also the price, the competitive price, and the margin you want. So whatever margin you want, you can put on your product according to, as long as it's going to work with Amazon precept margins. So you have opportunity to sell high margin products. You can also sell as an FBA or as an FBM. An FBA is fulfilled by Amazon, which takes all the stress away from you, and every stress will be given to Amazon. But you have to pay some amount of money for Amazon so that you can work with them as an FBA. And we also have the fulfilled by merchants. Yes, fulfilled by merchants are people that have their time and they really want to do the dropping in the post office by themselves. Sometimes I do fulfilled by merchants, and sometimes I do fulfilled by Amazon. So basically, it is your choice, it's your call, whatever strategy you want to use. But make sure that you get profitable products to send to Amazon. Amazon is ready to sell those products for you. So when you start selling as an FBA or an FBM, it's your call. Make sure you sell. And the only way you can sell is to list those products. If you don't list those products, nobody is going to buy from you. So you have to learn how to list those products on Amazon seller account. And after that, you make money. And repeat the process. Repeat the process. Repeat the process. And that is how you start selling as a business owner on Amazon. We have millions of people doing that worldwide. So don't limit yourself. So today, I've been able to tell you how you can start selling on Amazon in less than 7 days. You have to register yourself as an individual account or a business account. You have to search and look for profitable products. You have to also look for products that are going to sell with the profit margin if you want an high product margin. So you have to think about what price am I going to sell and what is the margin Amazon wants me to get. So you can put it as much as those products are profitable. And also keep listing. You have to sell, you want to sell, you list. You want to sell, you list. So that is the basics of how you can start selling on Amazon, and you can start making money online selling products on Amazon in less than 7 days. I did it and it worked for me. So if you're out there and you're looking for what business to do, why don't you reach out? Why don't you start the business as less than 7 days? So see you. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you send the video out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.